Hey guys, Omar will Wire It Up. We're here in Gilbert, Arizona. We're at our Portland project. We're excited about this project to show you a lot of things that we're working on this home. So this is a smart home, and this home is special. We did a hybrid home. So we did from the electrical, all the electrical, it's been done by Wired Up Electric, and then also we're doing all the AV, audio, video distribution, and security, network, everything. So we had a lot of time to work, to plan, to create a special project for our clients where they can actually enjoy this home. So we have centralized lighting on this home. That's one of the things we want to focus on too. Our clients will be able to have just one keypad at the entrance of the door, and then hit the welcome button. All the lights will come on. They can also click a button that says off and then turn everything off. There's a lot of things on this home we're excited to show you. Hey guys, so one other thing I wanted to mention, it's so when you're building a house and you're building a pool for your home and a casita, you always got to make sure that you run to the exterior low voltage wires for audio, video distribution. So that way when you're ready to put a TV or speakers in the casita or landscape audio, you have everything outside. So if you can see here, we have exterior conduit, underground conduit going to the casita and pool. So we have a low voltage and a high voltage conduit. That's something to keep in mind when you're building a house. This is our living room for this project. We're gonna do a frame TV, 75-inch TV frame with a custom Leon soundbar. We have 4 speakers in the ceiling for the surround sound. That's a 10-inch speakers from Origin Acoustics. We have audio in the kitchen as well. And on this section, we have all the wires running through different locations. And you can see the low voltage wiring on top. We also pre-wire for indoor and outdoor shades. And we have our touchscreens and keypads as well for this area. And for shades, we're gonna do Lutron and interior shades. And for the exterior, we're gonna do screen innovations. So this is centralized lighting. And way to explain centralized lighting is like, have you seen those homes where you have a 3-game box or 4-game, and then you have another 2-game box next to it, and then you have your wall full of switches? This is to eliminate all that. So designers, builders love the centralized lighting where you can have just one single keypad to control the house. It's more, aesthetically pleased to the designers and homeowners. So you can only press one button. It uses just one gain on the space. There's no acme on the wall. It's just like one single space. And the beautiful thing with that is that you can control audio, video out of the same keypad and do other stuff as well. So it's designed to do that. It's more modern. It brings your home to a next level. Very easy to use as well. On this area, we have a low voltage panel where all over demarcation coming from the street to the inside of the house from service. And this panel will feed this control 4 panel, and also will feed right here. All this wiring right here that you guys can see is the wiring for the rack, audio, video, and distribution. That's our electrical panel, a 225 sub panel. Alarm system will be installed on the top. And on this side, we have shades. So we pre-wire for Lutron shades throughout the house. And this is the LED lighting throughout the house. So everything's centralized in this location. We have AC going on. It's always very important that when you guys build a house, there's a space dedicated for this. So where you have all your equipment, you have everything, panels, and it can be used for, as you notice, for lighting, low voltage, shades, and then there's gonna be a 42U rack on this room. Always make sure that it's ventilation on it, so that way it can keep cool. So we're in the basement. So right now in this area, we're gonna have this is a media room. We're gonna have a 7.1 system with a 98-inch TV, a custom soundbar by Origin Acoustics. We have 8-inch speakers from Origin Acoustics as well. On this location, this is the pool table. So we're gonna have 2 8-inch speakers as well. Are gonna be lighting control with control 4. Over there in the back, we have a gym. So it's gonna be 4 speakers in the ceiling and also a TV in the corner. On this area over here, we have another pre-wiring section just for a small rack, a 50U rack. So that means 15 spaces. and that's going to be running all the basement here. So on this room, this is obviously the bottom of the stairs. So we put a rack in here. So it's going to be a 15U rack. So you see all the wiring there, and let's be able to run the basement. That's always, we try to split sometimes the equipment so we have better quality sound and better quality video. Because of the distance, this will be a better solution. And on this area, we're gonna have an LED panel just for the LED lighting going downstairs. Yeah, the reason why we put the rack in here is if you put a rack from the top of the house, which is the first floor, it's gonna be more than 400 feet of wire. So the HDMI signal might compromise when we have so much distance. And there's equipment that we can use, extenders, HDMI extenders, but it's a better solution just to have the rack in here to run this section, and easy for service and for everything. And then that way we don't have to have two racks in one location. So we're able to use this space and be able to centralize it as well. All right, guys, so this is the gym. This is going to be a really modern gym. It's going to be amazing because it's going to have a lot of mirrors. This is going to have speakers. There's 4 speakers in this area. So this space is designed for the clients to kind of like when you come from work, just walk into the space, hit a button, play your favorite playlist or watch your favorite show, to be able to relax, to unwind from, from the work day and everything. So just imagine just walking into the space, exercising, and and if once you're done exercising, you can just walk into the sauna. This is a multi-purpose space with the gym. It's a kind of like a wellness space, if you want to call it that way. So it's so exciting to have this space for the client to be able to enjoy. I'm looking forward to see this place when it's finished, because the design, the Alicia interior designs created for this space is beautiful.